Guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are going to do single leg burpees. When we do these, we are going to begin on one foot. We're going to bring our hands down to the floor, jump that foot back, come all the way down, chest to deck. Just jump one foot up or in, and then jump up. We can alternate sides. We can do everything all on one side. We can also modify by just coming into our high plank, jump in, jump up. Or if we want, we can come back, hit our chest, use both feet to kind of help, but trying your best to stay on just one foot for the entire repetition. So for more awesome cardio exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.